Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
The rear fuse panel is located right here. To open the lock, you can use a screwdriver or you could use a coin. Stick it in there, and it's going to be the opposite of what you think. You're going to turn it to the right, and then we can use a small screwdriver and pry this that way, and there's where your rear fuse box is located. And the key is right here on the door. There is a tool right here. You can just grab on the tool. And pull it out. This will help you remove fuses or the bigger fuses. So you can grab onto a fuse, just push it on, and then pull the fuse out. To reinstall the fuse, just take it in your hand, line it up, and push it in. You can do the same with the bigger fuses. Line it up, pull it out, install the bigger fuse, line it up, push it in. Now we can reinstall the tool, line it up, push it down. Now we'll close the door, push it in, and turn this to the left, lock it in. The instrument panel fuse box is located on the passenger side, right next to the center console. Grab it right here. There's a little retainer that holds it in. There's two there, and then you slide it across. And the key is on the back. The fuses are right in there. To install the cover, I'm going to slide these two clips in here. Line it up. Push it back in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.